Now we'll discuss about what are different drivers of globalization and different components of globalizations under this topic of methods and essential conditions for globalization. Now, there are various drivers of globalization which have driven the growth of globalization and global trade in history. The first of them was the establishment of the World Trade Organization, uh, which led to general agreement on trade and tariff. Now, you'll appreciate that if you need globalization to grow, you need countries to have an agreement on trade and tariffs to make it more convenient for other countries, companies to enter their market and operate in a more smoother manner, which needs a lot of collaboration between countries. Establishment of WTO was one big step in that direction. The second key driver of globalization was regional integration. You will see a lot of regional cohorts being formed where countries at a regional level decide to cooperate with each other for trade and for other agreements. European Union was one example, NAFTA, ASEAN, and similarly there are many other such committees and unions which have been formed where countries decide at a regional level to cooperate and help each other mutually in terms of trade. What all of that resulted is that trade barriers have declined. So this is an example of United States uh, tariff policies, and which was the tariffs were at a high level of 44% around 1913, and you will see a gradual decrease after the formation of WTO and other regional integration cooperation agreements, and it stood at around 3.5% in 2013. It's somewhere around that number these days. So that all of that has led to reduction in trade barriers and encouraging countries to trade with each other. Declining investment barriers, which is an indication of the success of the drivers, where we see growth in FDI, $564 billion in 1980 to $1,391 billion in 2012. So which is a slight reduction, but it has actually peaked to around close to $3,000 billion in 2008. But in the recent past, countries have started to being a little more protective about their domestic business. You'll remember that killing of domestic business is one of the big disadvantages. So there's some restrictions in terms of FDI's policies, but still we have seen a significant growth as compared to the 80s. Another significant driver of globalization is evolution of technology, where technology capability in terms of processing speed and storage, etc., has increased significantly, exponentially. At the same time, the cost of the technology has decreased exponentially, which has made high technology accessible to everyone. Storage cost in terms of cloud computing, cloud storage, we have seen is almost minimal. And the communication cost in terms of internet, Wi-Fi, the way we communicate, collaborate across the world through emails, chat, Zoom calls, etc., is also comes at a minimal cost, which is a big driver for globalization. Last but not the least, the growth of MNCs has been one of the biggest driver of globalization, where companies have formed establishments across the world and they are now operating at a global level. Now, the different ways or methods of going global broadly are across these four sections, where we talk about globalization of markets, which means that you can sell in whichever market you want while manufacturing in one country. For example, you can globalize production, so you can take advantages of production facilities, labor laws and environment in various countries, which helps you reduce your cost of production. It can be globalization of investment, where you would want to set up investments and set up manufacturing or facilities, or invest in some companies globally to generate a higher return on your investment. And last but not the least is the globalization of technology, where in terms of whether in terms of patents or copyrights or any other law or royalty that you can draw from your technology that you have developed through your investment in R&D. So those are different methods companies can choose to go global. Thanks for watching.